Greetings ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back in another video of our Merchant Navy Guidance series. So as you can see that now I am enrolled in IMI for my Diploma in Nautical Science course, and it began from 1st of August 2025, and it has been 1 week since I joined, and now I would like to share what all books I have received from the institution for my navigation career. So in this video I'll be covering the major books which are given by the institution, and I'll tell you I'll give a brief explanation of all of these books, like what are the major uses of these books, and till what rank you will be needing these books for your mate preparation. So our first book, which is very important for your merchant navy career, and it is your seamanship techniques. So as you all know that every guy who is enrolled in marine career is called a seaman. So the duty of every officer or a cadet is to practice good seamanship. So this book is all about what are the seamanship techniques, and what are the different types of ships, and what are the equipments on it and their uses, and it also describes the engine and the deck system of the ship as well. So this is a very big book, and it will be used for both of our semesters. So now moving on to our next book, which is chart work for mariners. Okay, so as you all know that whenever a ship travels from point A to point B, or from port A to port B, the officers have to plan a route from port A to port B so that the vessel moves from point A to point B without any problem or traffic. So this chart work book is required for chart work, which is your plotting of route on your chart. So this book will guide you about what basics of compass and gyro compass, and how they will work, and errors and measurements. So now our next book is spherical trigonometry. So this is a book which is separate from my maths book. I have received a maths book from here as well. In that maths book there is a chapter called spherical trigonometry, but the spherical trigonometry which is used in marine line is a bit different and vast. So they have provided a different book which provide all the necessary information about the spherical trigonometry. It will be very helpful in our career. So the next book which I have received is practical navigation. So this navigation book is like very important for every mariner, because it contains all of the navigation techniques that every cadet or every officer has to use on board, like what are the systems on the deck and how you should perform your responsibilities. So this book describes all the practical navigation techniques. So now our next book is ship construction book. So, as you all know that if you are in a marine line, then you all should know how a ship is constructed, what parts are used in a ship for its construction, and which part is present where on the ship. So, this is like a handout of ship, and here drawings of ship parts, ship compartments are drawn, and some theory is also written here for your guidance. So this is also a very nice book, and the next book which I have received is the cargo work book. So I would like to describe what is the cargo work. For me, the definition of cargo is what type of material you carry on your vessel. Like if you are on a bulk carrier, then you will carry iron ore, bauxite, grain, cereals, pulses, salt, etc. So this book tells about what cargo work we have to do during our loading of cargo and unloading of cargo, and how to manage cargo in the ship, so that it does not get ruined because of harsh weather on in sea. So this is also a very good and simple book. I find it very simple in reading. So our next book is Ship Stability at Sea at the Operational Level. So as you all know that the ship which floats on water needs stability. So this book guides how to stabilize the ship so that it does not roll and pitch like hell. So this is also a good book, and mainly it has calculative problems in it. So there are different chapters, and this book will be used till your second mains. And now this book I haven't read till yet, but this is called the Nautical Almanac, and it contains some values, I guess, and I don't know if it will come in use in the first semester or second, but I think they'll use it from the second semester. And now this book, IMO ROR, Rule of the Road. This book is called the Bible for mariners, because this book contains all the rules which you have to follow if you are on a ship, or what rules the ship has to follow during its voyage. So as you all know, IMO, International Maritime Organization, this is the main body which guides how to maintain rules on the ship for crew members, as well as what rules the vessels have to follow when they are on a voyage. So you have to keep this book with you till your entire career, because it contains all the rules set by the IMO which you have to follow. And the last thing which I have received is a very big chart of the English Channel. So it is very big, and I think I won't be able to show you the whole chart, but I'll try. Okay, so it is this big chart, big as a table, and here we have to plot routes for our ship, and and for plotting, there is this book which I have shown you earlier, chart work book. So we have to read this book and plot chart on this paper. So I think that's all. these all books I have received from the institute. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel so that I bring more of such informative video related to merchant navy. So till then, take care and bye bye.